Hey there, content creators. Ali Abdal here, and today I'm going to dive into the secret sauce of making viral Instagram Reels. You ready? Let's go. First off, you need to understand that creating viral content is not just about luck. It's a mix of strategy, creativity, and a bit of experimentation, so let's break it down. Step 1. Know your audience. Take some time to really understand who your followers are. What do they like? What keeps them scrolling? Use Instagram Insights to gather data on their behavior and preferences. This is crucial because your content needs to resonate with them. Step 2. Hook 'em fast. You have just a few seconds to grab attention. Start with something visually striking or a question that piques curiosity. Think about your own scrolling habits. What makes you stop and watch a reel? Step 3. Keep it short and sweet. The optimal length for a reel is around 15 to 30 seconds. You want to deliver your message quickly and efficiently. Remember, people have short attention spans. Step 4. Use trending music and effects. Even though we're not using music in this video, it's a game changer on Instagram. Check out the Explore page to see what's trending. Incorporate popular sounds and effects to boost your chances of going viral. Step 5. Storytelling matters. Whether it's a tutorial, a behind-the-scenes look, or a mini vlog, make sure your reel tells a story. Have a clear beginning, middle, and end. This keeps viewers engaged and wanting more. Step 6. High-quality visuals. Invest in a good camera or use your smartphone wisely. Natural light is your best friend. Make sure your shots are clear and well composed. Aesthetic visuals can make a huge difference. Step 7. Consistency is key. Post regularly and keep an eye on your analytics. Identify what works and what doesn't. Don't be afraid to pivot and try new things. Consistency helps build momentum and keeps your audience engaged. Step 8. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask questions, and create a sense of community. The more you engage, the more likely your content is to be shared and discovered by new viewers. Finally, don't forget to have fun with it. Creating content should be enjoyable. Experiment, play around with ideas, and most importantly, be yourself. Authenticity is what truly connects with people. So there you have it, folks. The secrets to making viral Instagram Reels. Remember, it's all about strategy, creativity, and engagement. Go out there and start creating. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time.